Sarona Mynhardt. I'm the conductor of the Inspirito Vocal Ensemble from the Sunshine Coast in BC, Canada.
My name is Karen Graham, and I'm a member of Inspirito Choir from the Sunshine Coast in Canada.
I'm Valerie Galvin. I sing with Inspirito Women's Choir from Gibsons, British Columbia. And with the Cuba-Canada exchange, we are here in Havana.
This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Oh, this little thing, para que tiene, como chocolate, como chocolate, para lo que debe, como chocolate.
Many of my colleagues have told me before that the Canada Cuba exchange program is just an incredible experience. And once I moved to the coast, I started a new choir. We're only 6 years old, and this is our very first international experience. And I chose Cuba because I knew that this would be an amazing experience for everybody, and it truly was.
When I was invited to join the choir and then found out that the choir was going to Cuba, I thought, oh, that's a long way away. And then I thought, when in my life will I ever get an opportunity to sing with Cuban musicians in their country? And I have no regrets. I am so grateful. This has been one of the most inspiring and moving experiences of my life.
Sarona Mynhardt, our leader, asked the question, would anybody like to go to Cuba on a Canada-Cuba exchange? And the only answer is absolutely yes.
I believe that everybody has a voice, that everybody needs to sing, and that everybody needs to be heard. And this, just the being with these other choirs, with Vocal Luna, with Vocal Leo, with Nova Voz, and with all the children, and just singing, and knowing that music and singing is a bridge. It's something that binds us together. We don't need a language. Music is this language that just binds us together, and when we start singing, we're all one, and we're one person. I think this has become so evident again for us this week, that there are no boundaries in music. Music ties us all together, and when we sing together, we truly become one. And I want to thank Jonathan and George and everybody in the Canada Cuba exchange program for this incredible opportunity and for welcoming us to Cuba. We will never forget it. It was an incredible experience. Thank you.
And I will come back again if I ever can, when I can, to learn about this culture and meet the beautiful Cuban people and dance and sing this incredible music. Come.
It has been a heartwarming experience. There's been many moments where everybody's been moved to tears, and we've made so many new friends, and would highly recommend that you come and share the similar experience that we've had.